So this is what this ramp is for.
It's for any kind of boat you'd like to take.
Besides Reno?
I'm sorry?
Besides Reno?
Yes.
Is that your boat?
It's my fiance's boat. Yeah.
I kind of want to take a ride on it.
He's testing it out right now. Wants to make sure it's all working right. Yeah.
For you to ride? For you to ride?
Well, he's wanting to make sure it's absolutely perfect, so when he does take people out on it, that, you know, it'll go like he wants it to go and it'll be safe.
And power slide?
Yeah, power slide.
Those are
That's actually a hovercraft and not an airboat. Even though it's powered by air, it's called a hovercraft because the air is pushed down in that black thing on the bottom, and it pushes it.
Is that
up
why
off
it
the
makes so
ground.
much dust?
Because it's all pushing air up. You're riding on a cushion of air.
And it's made to look like an airboat.
Uh-huh.
Oh, okay.
Pretty cool, huh?